Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Bybit profile picture. If you want to change your profile avatar for your Bybit account, then here's how you can do it. Open your Bybit application and log into your account like you normally do. Now, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left-hand corner once logged in. Tap on your profile picture one more time on the next page and you'll be able to see all of the profile pictures you could choose from in the list. Select one of the profile avatar from the default tab and after you are done, click on Save at the bottom. Now soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your profile picture on Bybit application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.